how to search for characters and highlight it in a single text or in a collection of texts by doing case-insensitive comparison. In the first example, if you look in the DOM, you can see that the text is being split in characters. Then, when you search for a character, you can see that inside the DOM is being rendered a span element with the content of the character that has been found, and it has a style attribute with color with a value of red. I created a conditional render function that I placed inside the return of my component, and here is my string, and I spread it so that I can use the map method on it. And then I have another function in here, and if we go to this one, getTerm indexes receives this initial string and the term, and I return an array, and I'm starting by spreading the initial string to have each character and then matching the characters found with the term received, global and insensitive on this array, and I'm then using reduce function to return another array with the actual characters that have been matched, and another array where I can see the indexes basically from the characters that I found, so I know which ones to color. I just extracted this outside. In the second example, everything looks much more cleaner even inside the DOM, and again, when you type in some characters, you can see that span elements are being rendered where the characters have been found with a style attribute with background color to add the highlight for the character found. In this second example, I have an array with some strings, and these are basically my texts. I created highlight search function that receives string and term searched, and this returns a paragraph, and inside I added some JavaScript. Every single time the search string is being found inside the initial string global and insensitive, it returns a span element with the style attribute with background color, so that you can see that the character has been found and it's been matched. And whenever it's not matched, it keeps everything intact. And then below you can see that I made use of dangerously set inner HTML. As the name of the property suggests, it can be dangerous to use it because it makes your code vulnerable to cross-site scripting attacks. This becomes an issue, especially if you are fetching data from a third-party source or rendering content submitted by users. So this is pretty much what I came up with. I'm really curious to see if you have any other ideas or any other suggestions. Hope that you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you at the next one.